Hello guys. Today we will see a very essential thing that every developer should be knowing, irrespective of any language you are using. So if you are using Git, I'll be showing how to, when people are new in coding world, then they need to know this. So how we are going to import or create a repository, push your first code into Git, then later we can say, I know it's easy. I mean, once you get your code in Git, then it's just simple command, like if you want to clone into different folder, Git clone and all those things, right? So let's see that first. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just open. This is my Git account. So what I'll do is I'll just create a new repository here. I'll just give a name like I have JavaScript Tut. Okay, I'll give this name, keep it public. It's up to you. You can keep it private. You can add readme and put things inside it, like what is your project is about, all those things. You can put a license if you have a git ignore file, like some files you don't want to push to git, so those things you can mention here. So I'll just leave it aside. Then I'll hit on create repository. Once you hit on this create repository, you'll see this is your repository. Okay, it is having some instruction. So I'll just open one uh, command prompt, just or the same thing we can do, like we can go to the, this is the folder which I want to map to Git. So I'll go inside it. Then you can directly put command here and enter. So it will open the path which you're inside. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just put git init. Okay, this is the first step. Then enter initialize empty git repository. And so here, once you edit, you will see one folder is there, git folder, hidden folder is created. Okay, so if it is not visible, you can just enable your hidden folders, it will be visible. Okay, so once it is created, then what I'll do, I'll go back to my uh, git and I want to add all the files, right? So just git add, right? So I'll just do git add, and I want to add all the files, so I'll hyphen a. Okay, so files will have original line, whatever warnings and all I got, it's okay. So it's all inside now. So after this, what I'll do, I'll commit. Okay, so this is my first commit. You can give any comment. I'll just put git commit, then hyphen m main branch. Then I'll just put here first commit uh, to JavaScript Tut. Okay, then I'll hit enter. Okay, so all this are committed, it seems. So what I'll do is I'll add them, right? So branch. So let's create a branch, the first branch. Okay, so branch, git branch. So every time this is the first time you are doing, that's why you're creating a branch. Once you've created a branch, you can directly post it to a branch. Okay, so git branch, then hyphen m, then main. So it will post to the main branch, right? So okay, so now let's so this branch is not yet created, right? Okay, so after this is executed, what we can do, we can put the next command as git remote add origin, and this is your git origin https link, you can put it here. Okay, now next, git push hyphen u origin main, done. Okay, so this step is crucial. It is pushing all the committed changes, whatever you had here, it is pushing it inside. Okay, so let's wait for that. Okay, so setup is remote branch something. Let's refresh it and check whether something has been created. Yes, I got all my codes which are available here. Okay, I got all those things here inside. You can see if I'll go inside, I have all these things. So my branch is successfully created here. Okay, so this is all about how you are going to do your first commit. So this will first, when you are creating a new repository, after that you can use very simple commands like git clone, and you can directly put the https path, or if you have created a new branch, you can put v and branch name here, then you can put the whole path, the path of the https. This one, it will be same. You can put this and clone it. Then you can use git push pull command every time. You can, the process is like first you take the pull, then you do the commit, then you do the push. So this, every time you can do that, and it will be in your repository. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.